The now retired Chinese short track speed skating superstar and Winter Olympic champion Yang Yang has hailed the impact of refugee Olympic team who are preparing to feature in their third Summer Games in Paris in July. Yang, also a goodwill ambassador of the United Nations High Commission for Refugees, made the remarks in a recent interview with Xinhua in the Kenya capital of Nairobi after visiting the Kakuma refugee camp in the East African country.
The Refugee Olympic team was very touching for me because I remember in 2016 when they walked into the stadium in the opening ceremony, I was very emotional. They have access to the Olympics, which is the same with other areas. If we give them access, there's many possibilities. So that's important to have a refugee Olympic team there to show the examples and to let people understand this awareness of the refugees. Of course, there's still lack of support. They need more. For example, they don't have enough coaches and teachers to support the kids' needs, the community's needs, and the lack of equipment. And lack of opportunity to go out for competition, etc. So there's many needs.
In June 2016, International Olympic Committee President Thomas Bach announced the establishment of a refugee Olympic team, and since then, at least 7 athletes from Kakuma refugee camp have made their debut in Rio and Tokyo Olympic Games. Yang was elected an IOC member in 2010. When the IOC decided to establish a refugee Olympic team, she was involved in the early discussions and participated in the decision vote.
We are promoting the peace. I think the final solution with the issues of a refugee is the peace. So Olympic is example. I hope the Olympic refugee team will show that example to the world. It is important to give them access.